Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands. So if that's what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, give this video a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Alright, you guys, so this is going to be the last video for now for spooky season. I picked this palette up a while ago. I just hadn't, I don't know why I haven't filmed with it. It just somehow got in my constantly growing stash and oh, see, now you can see what it is. I was like, you know what? I need one more palette. I hope this one should be going up on Halloween. So this is the ultimate spooky palette, or at least, I don't know. It's the end of spooky season for now, but we're going to go back to it in a little bit because Glamlight keeps releasing spooky palettes, horror theme palettes. So this is the Wicked Widow Beauty, the first Scissorhands palette. There's just the back of the packaging. I love Wicked Widow Beauty. Their formula is phenomenal. Their palettes are just so beautiful, so fun, you guys. Just look at that. Like, tell me that is not beautiful. I love it. So, yeah, I was originally going to do a different palette today because it's Sunday, and yesterday I actually filmed with a holiday season palette, but then I was like, no, I still have not used this palette, and I need to use it, and the video going up on Halloween is perfect for this palette. So, and yeah, I've seen Edward Scissorhands, that movie, I think like once. I think it could be categorized as kind of like a spooky movie. I don't know, but that's what we're doing for today. So, and also, like, I saw it so long ago, all I really remember is basically that he had scissors for hands. So, yeah. But either way, that's what we're doing today. And again, we'll revisit spooky season when I get my other Glamlight horror theme palettes in. So, we're gonna do, you know, of course, 2 looks. One for each eye, because that's what we do. That's what you guys like. And I'm not really sure what I'm going to do because they're, like, I love the blues, but then this, like, maroon shade is amazing. But also those greens, I don't know what to do. So we'll get started, see what happens, because I know, like, all these shades are going to be absolutely phenomenal. It's just how I choose to put them on my eyes. So let's go ahead and start with, yeah, let's just start with that maroon shade blending right there, because that is just so beautiful. And also there's some like weird noise going on in the background. I have no idea what it is, so I apologize for that. And you saw, well, actually this video will go up first, but the video I filmed yesterday's with the Morphe Tease the Season palette, and I don't know, I was just still struggling from the last couple weeks, but I'm feeling a little better today, so that's good. Yeah, life is just, it's just life, you know. But I'm feeling a little better today, so I'm hoping today will be a good day. I can kind of relax and prepare for the week to come. Because that's really what the weekends are these days for me. It's trying to get myself in as good of a place as possible so that I can survive the upcoming week, because they're just not good for me. It takes everything I have to survive, like, every Monday through Friday. Alright, so that is a beautiful, beautiful shade. Now, I totally have not really thought this through, not that I ever do, but I want to take like a packer brush and I really want to pack whatever shade I go in with next on. Let's do, maroon. I'm kind of needing to just swatch these a little bit so that I can tell what shade they are, because the lights are kind of really playing tricks with my eyes today. Probably because I had a rough, bad migraine yesterday. Okay, let's go with the shade Goodbye, which is not one of them that I swatched, but I just saw it and I was like, you know what, that's really pretty. So we're just going to pack that shade on the outer corner of the eye. You guys know, like, there's no rhyme or reason to what I do. It just, whatever pops into my head and I think it's a good idea, that's what I do. And I just hope for the best. This is a phenomenal, phenomenal shade. It is going on beautifully. Just packing on so well. So, so, so beautiful. All right. Now, the question is, 2 questions. Where's the glitter glue? And what shade am I gonna go in with next? All right, I think this is, all right, NYX glitter glue, y'all know. Use it all the time. And just go ahead and tap that on the inner portion of the eye. And then I need to find the brush that I use for my shimmers. And then I need to decide which one of these beautiful shades do I, because do you see these shimmers? I mean, they are just absolutely gorgeous to die for. What am I thinking? You never know what I'm thinking. I never know what I'm thinking. You know what? This shade Castle right here is just absolutely calling out to me, so that's what we're going to use. I have not, you know, swatched it or anything. We're just going to put it on and see how it looks. That's pretty. Very, very beautiful, shimmery, just gorgeous. I kind of thought this was gonna change colors a little bit, but it didn't, but that's okay because it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. Very, oh, that shimmer. The shimmers get me every time. I just adore them. Okay, so that's just beautiful. Now for the lower lash line, I think we're gonna go in with, let's do the shade Creation, which is right there. That's like a deep, 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 deep dark green, almost black. Which is just absolutely beautiful, you guys. Ooh, very pretty. Now for that lower inner corner highlight. I think we're gonna go with the shade Kim, which is this shade right here. Just absolutely beautiful. Y'all know I just gotta have that little extra bit of glitter, you know? Nothing wrong with that. Okay, now for the other eye. I think I'm gonna start with the shade Topiary, which is that shade right there. Just a beautiful, beautiful green. Ooh. Now I'm going to take that packer brush and just really pack down. What shade are we going to do? Let's go with the shade Inventor, which just looks like a really, really pretty like charcoal gray. And we're just packing that on the outer portion of the eye. Okay, whatever that noise was that I mentioned at the beginning of the video, it just stopped. It kind of sounded like a generator running, kind of. All right, now we're going to take that glitter glue and just put it on the inner portion of the eye. And then we have to figure out which one of these pretty shimmer shades. I always struggle with the shimmer shades because they're so beautiful and I just want to use all of them, but obviously I can't. So that's hard. I'm really, oh man, I'm torn between, okay. This one, which is Ice Sculpture. This one, which is Snow Angel. And then this one, which is Scissorhands. I mean, I kind of feel like because the palette is Scissorhands, that's the one that I should use, right? I mean, that makes sense. Let's do that. Let's go in with Scissorhands, which again is this one right down here. And not that like there's like a wrong choice. I just, like I said, I want to, ooh, okay. I want to use them all if I can. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness, you guys. This blue is amazing. That is so fun. And like across from the green, it just, I love the way that it looks. I love it. Love it, love it. All right, so, yeah. Love this. Now for the lower lash line. What am I going to do? You guys, it never ceases to amaze me. I can like put a brush down and put it like right on the edge of my little cup and it somehow ends up like far in the back and it's hard to find every time. Okay. So, let's go with the shade Incomplete, which just looks like a dark, dark brown, which is right here for the lower lash line. Oh, the birds are still here. You guys can hear that. Yeah, I feel like they'll be flying south soon because the temperature dropped and like it's probably going to be in like the low 60s and 50s from, you know, for the next couple days. And I think we might even get into the 40s next week. So I'm actually shocked that they're still here. Okay, now for the lower inner corner highlight, I'm just going to do the same thing, that shade Kim right there. It's going to be weird filming without the birds because when things are like fully quiet, that's like the only noise that I have is the birds. So it's going to be It's going to be different. I would say I'd play some background music for you guys, but like YouTube doesn't allow that, so, or well, certain things they do, but that'd probably be too much. All right, so I'm gonna go do my mascara cleanup, just a little bit of fallout, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. If you end up watching the video that I filmed yesterday, but it's actually gonna go up after this one, my camera is doing some weird things and shutting off after a certain period of filming, and I just came back from doing my mascara, cleaning up a little bit of fallout, and the same thing happened. So I'm kind of worried my camera is on the fritz, so I need to figure out what's going on, because like, it's less than a year old, so this shouldn't be happening. But either way, this is the finished look. And the lip I have, it's the NYX Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream in the shade Pancake Stacks. And this is just a beautiful, like, more cool-toned neutral shade. There it is. Just absolutely beautiful. Yeah, I don't normally go for, like, too much of a neutral lip, but I don't know. I was planning on doing a different palette today and just, I don't know. My mood took over and I just completely switched what I was doing. So again, this was the Wicked Widow Beauty. This is the Scissorhands 1 palette, the first one. And here is the inside of this beautiful, beautiful palette, you guys. I love Wicked Widow Beauty. Their shadows are amazing. If you haven't tried any of their palettes, definitely pick one up when you can. That is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for just all the love, the support. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. And just remember that you're loved. You're amazing. Hopefully this will go up on Halloween. So I hope you all have an amazing Halloween if you celebrate. If you don't, I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday. So just remember, you know, you're loved. You're amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. And I'll see y'all in the next one.